Napoleon Hill was an American author and a prominent member of the New Thought movement. He was also a well-known self-help author. He became an important personality in the 20th century but is now regarded as an artful conman by most. Hill was famous for writing a range of books that focused on the different ways in which one could grow rich, and most of his books became hugely popular. Here are some of Napoleon Hill's most powerful and inspiring quotes that can lead you to change your life. Ideas are the beginning point of all fortunes. Any idea, plan, or purpose may be placed in the mind through repetition of thought. Every adversity, every failure, every heartbreak carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. Man alone has the power to transform his thoughts into physical reality. Man alone can dream and make his dreams come true. Money without brains is always dangerous. When your desires are strong enough, you will appear to possess superhuman powers to achieve. Great achievement is usually born of great sacrifice, and never the result of selfishness. More gold has been mined from the thoughts of men than has been taken from the earth. Our minds become magnetized with the dominating thoughts we hold in our minds, and these magnets attract to us the forces, the people, the circumstances of life which harmonize with the nature of our dominating thoughts. You give before you get. No man can succeed in a line of endeavor which he does not like. Most great people have achieved their greatest success just one step beyond their greatest failure. Opportunity often comes disguised in the form of misfortune or temporary defeat. Your big opportunity may be right where you are now. You might well remember that nothing can bring you success but yourself. The starting point of all achievement is desire. Keep this constantly in mind. Weak desires bring weak results, just as a small fire makes a small amount of heat. Success comes to those who become success conscious. No man is ever whipped until he quits in his own mind. Whatever your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. There are no limitations to the mind except those we acknowledge. The poverty and riches are the offspring of thought. Everyone faces defeat. It may be a stepping stone or a stumbling block, depending on the mental attitude with which it is faced. Don't wait. The time will never be just right. Start where you stand, and work whatever tools you may have at your command, and better tools will be found as you go along. Big pay and little responsibility are circumstances seldom found together. Create a definite plan for carrying out your desire and begin at once, whether you're ready or not, to put this plan into action. A positive mind finds a way it can be done, a negative mind looks for all the ways it can't be done. Cherish your visions and your dreams as they are the children of your soul, the blueprints of your ultimate achievements. You are the master of your destiny. You can influence, direct and control your own environment. Deliberately seek the company of people who influence you to think and act on building the life you desire. Edison failed 10,000 times before he made the electric light. Do not be discouraged if you fail a few times. Do it now, don't wait. The time will never be just right. The way of success is the way of continuous pursuit of knowledge. Any idea, plan, or purpose may be placed in the mind through repetition of thought. Most so-called failures are only temporary defeats. Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. Just as our eyes need light in order to see, our minds and ideas in order to conceive. Education comes from within, you get it by struggle and effort and thought. It is literally true that you can succeed best and quickest by helping others succeed. When defeat comes, accept it as a signal that your plans are not sound, rebuild those plans, and set sail once more towards your coveted goal. Success is good at any age, but the sooner you find it, the longer you will enjoy it. Everyone enjoys doing the kind of work for which he is best suited. It takes half your life before you discover life as a do-it-yourself project. If you don't conquer self, you will be conquered by self. If you do not see great riches in your imagination, you will never see them in your bank balance. Fears are nothing more than a state of mind. Set your mind on a definite goal and observe how quickly the world stands aside to let you pass. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. You have a brain and mind of your own. Use it, and reach your own decisions. Victory is always possible for the person who refuses to stop fighting. Happiness is found in doing, not merely possessing. Think twice before you speak, because your words and influence will plant the seed of either success or failure in the mind of another. Our only limitations are those we set up in our minds. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.